What you doing, Abby?
What you doing? What you doing on the cake?
Oh, you mix them.
Tell Uncle Eric you're mixing.
You mix?
Is this a cake? It's a cake. Yay. Who's this for, Mommy? Say hi, Mimi. Oh, say hi to Mommy then.
Say hi to Mommy. Say
Come
Mommy,
here.
I'm mixing cake.
Say hi to Mommy here.
Gab, say hi to Mommy. Say hi to Mommy then. Say hi to Mommy. Hi, Mimi. Say hi, Mimi.
Oh.
Is it gonna be a good cake? Yeah? Say yes. Say yes. Say good cake. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.